Argyle acted and talked like a lawyer. He even claimed to be a graduate from Stanford Law School. Problem was, he was a fake, according to authorities, and for every crime there is a story, and the truth matters. Here's ABC4's senior crime and punishment correspondent Marcos Ortiz with tonight's Justice Files.
Robert Argyle is now sitting in the Davis County Jail for impersonating a lawyer and other crimes as well. Now, before he was arrested, one of his clients was impressed with his work before she became suspicious.
I had hired him as an attorney. He was helping getting custody for my two younger kids.
Robert Argyle claimed to be an attorney and worked for a firm called Peace Legal in Ogden. On social media, he claimed to be a Stanford Law School graduate. Crystal Vite says she paid Argyle to help her in a custody battle with her former husband, and Vite, who wants to remain anonymous, says at first things were going well.
He literally sounded like an attorney, like he knew what he was talking about. So at that point, me and my husband was thinking like, okay, this guy really knows what he's doing.
And she says the judge overseeing the case never caught on.
He didn't say anything out of the ordinary. He had thanked him for representing us. It was almost like it was too good to be true. Like everything he was saying was just like, yeah, you're going to win.
But then it started unraveling with this protective order allegedly created by Argyle. Authorities claimed it was a fake. The case number wasn't real. Even the judge's signature was forged.
Then I had sheriffs come to me at my son's soccer game thinking that it was me that had forged the judge's name.
She contacted his law firm in Ogden. Vite claims Peace Legal, which is no longer in operation, realized the protective order was bogus. According to a search warrant, Peace Legal discovered that Argyle used his father's bar credentials on his resume. The Argyle name was not listed on the Utah State Bar's website as active, that he had represented people in Utah on behalf of the firm and was fired. Vite claims Peace Legal told her something different.
They said that they ran his bar number and it all came back correct. But I don't understand how it could, because it wasn't even a real bar number.
Authorities are now charging Argyle with multiple crimes, including forgery and communications fraud linked to impersonating an attorney. In Davis County, he and his wife are also accused of identity fraud, forgery, and fraud linked to real estate transactions.
The money isn't even an issue. It's the simple fact of what he put my family through, what he jeopardized my kids going back to, is what really made it 10 times worse.
According to the search warrant, Peace Legal did file a complaint with the Utah State Bar. Now, Argyle will remain in jail. A judge denied his bail today. For the Justice Files, Marcos Ortiz, ABC4 News.